What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to make or get YouTube tags. We've all been at some point whenever we created a video or something and we struggle with creating tags. I'll show you a method that will solve this problem for you. So what we need to do, we need to go to rapidtags.io and then we need to click on use tool for free. And then right here, what we need to do, we need to enter our title. So for example, I'm gonna name this YouTube tags or how to make YouTube tags. And then I'm gonna click on the search bar. And now it's gonna generate every possible tag or every tag that's been used in a YouTube search bar. So then what you do, then you just copy and then go back to your video. So I'm just gonna do it here. For example, I'm gonna delete all the tags. And then once you right click it and then paste it, it's gonna paste every single one of your tags that we just copied from that website. And I will put link in the description below. And if this video was helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.